Ever met someone so stupid that they tried to do something just plain retarded? Of course you have. Everybody's met someone like that. This is the story. One man who's too dumb to realize he can't steal worth crap. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. I don't know if you can see. Okay, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. I love Beavis and Butthead. Alright, I'm not gonna steal anything yet. But, that's all you guys. This is my introduction to what I'm about to do. You can love it. I'm going to rob a person's house. Ha 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 ha.